ta, ti, tu, twa, twi, tu, za, zi, zu.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Read this lesson Rawani, without spelling. Take special care in pronunciation. The harakat correctly. Differentiate clearly between the letters that sound somewhat similar. In lesson 1, you learned how to pronounce each letter correctly. You learned which letters are pronounced light thin, and which letters are pronounced heavy thick. I hope you have practiced and learned the correct pronunciation of all the letters properly. If you have not watched lesson 1, the link is available in the description. Please make sure to learn lesson 1 first. Now, let's talk about lesson 2, which is actually a test of lesson 1. Lesson 2 is about recognizing the letters. Some letters are written halfway. Some have only their heads written. Some are written lightly, and some are written heavily. The main purpose of lesson 2 is to help you recognize the letters correctly. If you have not watched lesson 2, its link is also available in the description. Now, let's move on to lesson 3, which is very important. Lesson 3 is about harakat vowel signs. Harakat are read without stretching and without prolonging the sound. Understanding this difference is extremely important. To learn lesson 3 in detail, the link is available in the description. Please check it. Now, without wasting any time, let's begin lesson 4. In lesson 4, we will focus on reading fluently, because in lesson 3, we have already learned harakat step by step with proper pronunciation. So, let's start lesson 4.
Ta, ti, tu, twa, twi, tu, ta, ti, tu, twa, twi, tu, za, zi, zu, dha, dhi, dhu, za, zi, zu, dha, dhi, dhu, wa, zi, zu, dwa, dwi, du, wa, zi, zu, dwa, dwi, du, tha, thi, thu, sa, si, su, tha, thi, thu, sa, si, su, so, si, su, ka, ki, ku, so, si, su, ka, ki, ku, qa, qi, qu, ha, hi, hu, qa, qi, qu, ha, hi, hu, ha, hi, hu, a, i, u, ha, hi, hu, a, i, u, a, i, u, da, di, du, a, i, u, da, di, du, kha, khi, khu, gha, ghi, gu, kha, khi, khu, gha, ghi, gu, ba, bi, bu, ma, मी मु बा बी बू मा मी मु वा वी वू फा फी फू वा वी वू फा फी फू ला ली लू ना नी नू ला ली लू ना नी नू रा री रू जा जी जू रा री रू जा जी जू शा शी शू या जी यू शा शी शू या जी यू